Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'm Fiona and today I'm going to do a ring pour or maybe a straight pour or maybe a combination of both. But I'm going to fill this cup up with some colours, and to start with I have white. This is Mont Marte Titanium white, but it's also got a little bit of Decoart satin enamels in it. I just wanted to create a few clouds, and the satin enamels will do that for me. This one here is Amsterdam's Light Gold, and it's mixed with a little bit of Decoart's 24 karat gold, so that might have a little bit of a reaction as well. This one is the Mont Marte Phthalo metallic blue, which is quite a pretty colour. And then I've got Amsterdam's Prussian Phthalo blue, which is one of my favourites. And then this one here I kept changing my mind with. It is the permanent red violet, but it looked a little bit pink, so I've added some Naphthol red and a little bit of, what's this one? Dioxazine purple, but I probably still would have liked a little bit more red, so I'm going to put that one in there. I'm going to come back in with my gold, and then we're going to go white. And I'm just layering these. So pouring down the side of the cup gets them all to sit on top of each other. And I'm probably going to need to put a puddle down onto my surface. One of the favourite artists I have that does this method is Sarah Mac Art. Watching her videos when I first started really inspired me to start pouring. Let's go gold again. Got lots of layers here. Nearly done with my cup, and I'll finish off with the red. It's going to give me pink. I didn't want to put the red next to the white, and I just did. All right, I am going to put some white down. Got a lot of this colour, so I might put a puddle of that down first, save a tiny bit, and put some white down. Now the reason for the puddle is because when I start pouring this, as it spreads out, it rolls over itself. As you can see, the white has pushed out the red. All right, hopefully that's enough, but I've got more colour that I can put around the outside. And here we go. Let's start pouring this. Looks really lovely in the cup. I'm going to go this way. And oh, do I want to do rings? I think I'm going to start with rings. I might go to a bit of straight and then go back to rings again. Okay, let's start with some rings. quite dark. Like it a lot better in the middle, which is good. Did I drop that there? Yeah, okay. Now you can see the white and the permanent red colour have disappeared. I think what I might do is quickly paint my corners. I'm not getting a huge amount of clouds, but I'm going to quickly paint my corners. Might do a few different colours to match. It's not really going to match. You know what? I'm just going to we'll do a different colour on each corner for fun. And gold. Alright, I'm going to put a little bit of white around the outside as a flow extender. Bit of a torch. Alright, I can see a few things popping up. Let's tilt. Now what I want to do with this one is go around in circles. All right, I'm just going to look at, I really like these bits here, so I might go off this way first. I'm not sure about all this white. And we've got that blue bit up there. And also I have this that I'm not sure about, so I might break that up a little bit. Oh, this way. Going to take the white down here. A little slippery. I didn't get much of the gold. Just looking at my composition. Okay. Very soft. Lots of lines. Not as many clouds as I expected. I'm going to torch this and bring you in for the wet result. Just doing a little bit of extra tilting. Not quite sure about it. I'm just going to take it down this way. Tricky. I don't want to lose this dark corner. Just getting rid of a bit of extra paint. Now I'm taking it back again. I think that's given a lot of softness up here. We've got these bands through here now and a bit of a swooping effect. Cool. I'll bring you in. Okay, here is the wet result. Bring you this way first. We've got some deep colours here. A little bit of clouding effect down the bottom. Some nice banding through here. And some more of this darker area clouding up there. Then on this side, got a tiny bit of the dark, and then it starts to blend into the lighter colours. Just here we have some nice defined areas, and this is like our center here. Then the white towards here with just a bit of dark on the corner. It's pretty cool. What do you guys think? I'll bring you back when it's dry. Okay, here is the dry result. It's much lighter at the top. I've kept it this way. I think this way looks the best. Now, I didn't get a huge amount of clouds popping up. I thought I might get some more. Got a few in the bottom, but I think it's because my Decoart was Satin enamels was a bit thick. It's a bit old, so it might not have worked as well. Plus my paints were probably a little bit thick for that technique. But I've got a bit of shimmer coming through that part there that's got some gold in it. It's a slightly different colour. but I do like it. There's that centre bit. Yeah, just a little different to what I've been doing lately. Thought I'd try something new. It's always good to experiment. So that's it for this one, guys, and I shall see you all in the next one. Bye.